Hi friends, it's Julia. I wanted to share my Freckled Fawn Kit for May 2022 and show you what I got. I took it out of the outer wrapping because the package was completely trashed. I don't know if the mail carriers tried to shove it into my mailbox or shove it somewhere in delivery. I don't know. But it came completely trashed. The sack was torn, but everything on the inside looks like it's okay. Yeah, so this month we get this beautiful peachy pink alphabet, blush pink, peachy pink. It makes me think of cheeks, you know, peachy, blushy color pink cheeks. It's what I think of when I see this color. So there's that. I'm going to open both pouches. My label stickers, they are lovely. I love these bright colors this month. With the, again, the peachy color and then the darker pink color. Something about that felt like it stuck. Oh, maybe down at the bottom there's a little adhesive feel right there. Oh, at the top too. Yeah, it's okay. These are the chipboard stickers. Now they do come with adhesive on the back, and I have a hard time with them falling out, which is not a big deal, but when I store them I like them to stay flat. So let me put those there. The puffy hearts are absolutely stunning. They are not epoxy, they are puffy. I'm not the hugest fan of puffies because, you know, you have to add extra adhesive because the adhesive always fails. And they did send us a notice this month that somehow in manufacturing the washi strips, oh, that didn't even need to come undone. Is that one already open? Yeah. The washi strips got changed in their size to 3 inches instead of 6 inches. So we got 2 sets of them. So that should give you, and I don't think they go all, yeah, they do go all the way to the end with this one. So you get the full, if that's full 3 inches, which 6, just shy of 3 inches, 1, 2, 3, almost 4 inches. So yeah, this time they're a bit bigger. So nice. And then finally the wood veneer is this rainbow. It looks like there's a couple of rainbows in here. Let's see, let's match them all up. See if they all go. Or is it one? Nope. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. There we go. So 2 full sets of wood veneer. So how fun is that? This is this month's kit, May 2022. This is what I received in my Freckled Fawn monthly kit. Now I do get the 2 alphabet stickers. I pay the extra to get the extra alphabet stickers because I'm always wanting more. So yeah, but standard on everything else. So the kit that you purchase, the base kit, looks like that. I'm not sure if the wood veneer come. I may pay extra for those too. I can't remember now. Anywho, but this is what I got. So anyway, I will have some photos, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you to get into your stash and play around some. Anyway, have a great day everyone. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.